Which one do you have? Who is that? What's in your hand? What's that? Is that a giraffe? Yeah. Want me to help you? Look, Kaden, look. Here, look. Put the elephant where it's supposed to go. Flip it over. Flip it over. Keep going, flip it. Let me help you. Look, like this. Good job. That's a zebra. Where's the zebra go? You holding the zebra? Now what's in your hand? What is that?
Monkey.
That is a monkey.
Monkey.